Why do heat waves happen, and what do they do to nature? Imagine the sun playing a game of tag with the earth. Sometimes it tags too hard, making everything super hot. This is a heat wave. Plants get thirsty, animals feel tired, and rivers dry up. But here's the twist. Some animals, like lizards, love it. They get extra energy to play. So while heat waves can be tough, they also make some creatures happy. Remember, always drink water and stay cool. Hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us.